Let's talk about the group of periodic table. This is modern periodic table. And how many groups are there in the periodic table? This lanthanides and actinides, which are taken at the bottom side of the modern periodic table, is not taken in the group. That's why first I want to remove this. In how many groups these elements are divided? First we have to understand about the IUPAC, and then only we will be able to understand the naming of the group. What is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Elements of modern periodic table is divided into 18 groups according to this IUPAC. And how it is divided into 18 groups? Look at this. The element which form the vertical column of the periodic table is taken as group of periodic table. Just like hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, this forms one vertical column. In the same way, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, etc. forms another group. In the same way, here we have 18 vertical columns. That's why according to IUPAC, they are named as group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, if we go up to the right hand corner up to helium, altogether we have 18 groups in the modern periodic table. 1 to 18. But in modern periodic table, elements are not only divided into groups, not only into the periods. We'll talk about the periods in next class, but today we are focused on group. In modern periodic table, they are not divided only into group and period, they are also divided into 4 distinct blocks. What are they? Look at this. S block element. Two groups, first group and second group, is taken in S block element. In the same way, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups are taken in P block element. And here we have 3A to 2B. 10 groups of elements are taken as D block element. And there's another block also. I want to bring that back. Look at this is lanthanides and actinides. They are taken in F block. Altogether we have 4 blocks of element S, P, D, F. So elements are not only divided into groups and periods, they are also divided into 4 distinct blocks in modern periodic table. Now I want to talk about the traditional method of numbering of these groups. Traditionally, elements were divided in this way also, which is written here: 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A and 7A. There are 1 to 7 and they are named like this. Not only A, they are divided into B also. I mean to say 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, which can be written like this: 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B and 7B. Now altogether we have 7 groups. If we take A and B together, then altogether we have 7 groups till now. Now there is another also. Look at this is 0 group element. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, they are taken as 0 group element. And there is 8th group also. 3 groups are taken as 8 group, single group. And in 8th group, iron, cobalt and nickel is at the beginning. This is 8th group. That's why there is another saying also. Instead of saying 18 groups, we can say 9 group also, because it was divided into 9 group traditionally, 7A and 7B. Altogether if we mix, then 7 groups, and 0 group 8th group, and group 8 9. There are 9 group according to traditional method. This division of group is also important because till now this method of grouping comes in the study like this. Group 1A, this except hydrogen, all other are metal: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. All of them are called alkali metal because they form alkali and they are highly reactive metals. If someone says alkali metal, then we have to understand he is talking about group 1A and they are highly reactive. Now let's talk about another group. This is group 2A. Group 2A are also called alkali earth metal. If somewhere alkali earth metal is written, it means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, etc. Group 2A. There is another also, group 7A. They are named as halogens, and halogens are highly reactive non-metals. It includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine etc. In the same way, zero group element means noble gas. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, they are called noble gas. They do not take part in the chemical reaction because their outermost shell is fulfilled with the number of electrons. That's why they are also called inert gas. Okay, now this is all about the group of periodic table. Okay, now I want to stop. We'll meet in another class.